guys, I wanted to share with you different ways to dress for the winter. Here in Canada it gets freezing cold, so the secret to it is basically layering, and I start with tights and a camisole, and then on top of that I go on with my kind of thermal wear or a long sleeve top. Then I get ready to start dressing. So on top of that is when I would put on my jeans and a jacket like this denim top that I'm wearing, and because I already have 2 layers underneath, I didn't then put on a warm jacket on top of that. You can't forget your socks. Yes, your socks over the tights or leggings, and a pair of boots, and your scarf, as well as gloves. Oh my goodness, these things are so vital, because without them your toes and your fingers are going to fall off. And also you need to protect your head and your ears, so that's when a hat comes in, guys. And that's it, you're all layered and ready to go. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not. Alright, so again you can see I'm wearing my tights and a pair of jeans. I've also got my camisole and my thermal top. Then over that I'm going to put on my sweater, and this one is nice and cozy. It's not too thick, but it's a good layering piece. Then now we're like, okay, this is the basics, we got that on. And of course I've got my tights under. Those aren't socks just yet. And then I put this wool coat over it, and this wool coat is really warm. It looks just like a regular blazer, or like just a jacket, but it's actually really warm. And to protect my neck, I use this fur stole, and then put on my socks and then these boots. I recommend wearing like wool socks that's probably like knee height, if you're going to go with knee-high boots. And to protect the ears, these earmuffs are lifesavers, guys. They make such a difference. And of course the gloves. Yes, earmuffs, you need to invest in those. If your jacket doesn't have a hood, they come in super handy. Okay, so again, you get the drift of the layering by now. And here I'm just wearing trainers and this very thick coat, because you need a thick coat for the thick winter. Take off your jacket. Move back to the previous outfit, and basically here I just there's some days that are freezing cold, but there's no snow on the ground, so it's just cold, just really cold. So basically I just add another layer with this poncho just to style up the look a little, and basically it's the same look with the earmuffs back on if your jacket doesn't have a hoodie. And that's it, guys. The secret to it all is layering. Start from your tights, your pantyhose, and your camisole, your thermal wear and long johns, and then you dress up. That's really it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.